How to fix no SIM card, invalid SIM and other SIM not detected errors on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if we detect any kind of error regarding no SIM card, invalid SIM and other SIM not detected on Android. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the settings in your mobile device. Under settings, tap on apps and then tap on see all apps. Tap on the search icon from the top right corner and using the search bar, type in SIM Toolkit. After you search for it, tap on it. That's gonna take you to app info page. Here, scroll down a bit and then tap on storage and cache. Now under this page, tap on clear cache and then tap on clear storage. Here it says this app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So with that on your mind, tap on OK. Once you have done that, all you have to do is restart your device and then reinsert your SIM card and your problem will be solved. And that's how you can do it. That's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.